Hey, Red Carpet Queens fam, get ready to dive into the hottest updates because the news cycle is absolutely blazing. We've got breaking stories that are shaking things up, from unexpected romantic sparks flying to massive market shifts. You do not want to miss what's unfolding right now. We're talking about the moments that have everyone buzzing, the moves that are making waves, and the connections that are heating up. Stick with us because you're about to get the inside scoop on everything you need to know, straight from the epicenter of what's happening. We're kicking things off with a story that's got Hollywood talking. Sydney Sweeney is reportedly finding a new connection, and sources say it's getting serious with a certain influential music figure. What's really going on behind the scenes? Next up, we're shifting gears to the world of fashion and finance, where a major brand is seeing its stock prices skyrocket. And guess who's at the center of it all? Sydney Sweeney again. Her latest campaign has not only captured attention, but has also sent shares soaring. We're diving into the details of this massive market mover and what it means for the company. You won't believe the impact this has had. Then, we're staying with the incredible financial impact of a certain star, as American Eagle's stock experiences a significant surge. This isn't just about a popular face. It's about a strategic move that's paying off big time. We'll break down how celebrity endorsements are directly influencing multi-million-dollar stock performances and the buzz surrounding this particular campaign. And finally, get ready for another deep dive into how a specific advertising campaign featuring a beloved actress is giving a major retailer wings, propelling its stock to new heights. This story is all about the power of marketing and star power colliding. Don't go anywhere. The Red Carpet Queens are here to break it all down for you. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on so you never miss an update. Love sparks fly as Sydney Sweeney and Scooter Braun's romance heats up. Is Hollywood seeing a new power couple emerge? Reports suggest that actress Sydney Sweeney is deepening her connection with music executive Scooter Braun, with insiders describing him as attentive and even obsessed. This developing romance comes as Sweeney navigates her career and recent personal life changes. The buzz around Sydney Sweeney and Scooter Braun has been growing, with sources close to the pair indicating that their relationship, initially kept low-key, is now heating up considerably. After Sweeney's engagement to Jonathan Davino was called off earlier this year, she has reportedly found herself enjoying the significant attention from Braun. Insiders describe him as not only a charmer, but also as sweet and incredibly attentive, qualities that have clearly intrigued the Euphoria star. This isn't just a fleeting encounter. Their connection seems to be developing with a palpable intensity, with one source noting that Braun is loving spending time with her and seeing where things go. Their budding relationship was further fueled by speculation during Labor Day weekend, when the two were spotted spending 4 consecutive days together at Lake Tahoe. This extended getaway provided ample opportunity for them to bond, away from the constant glare of the spotlight, though their growing closeness is becoming increasingly difficult to conceal. While neither has made official statements or posted on social media about their time together, the extended period and shared activities suggest a level of comfort and interest beyond a casual friendship. Insiders characterize their romance as casual for now, but the fact that they have been seen together at multiple high-profile events, including Jeff Bezos and Lauren Sanchia's wedding in Venice earlier this summer, points to a deeper connection forming. Braun's pursuit of Sweeney reportedly began shortly after the Venice wedding, where he was said to be immediately captivated by her. Since then, he has been actively pursuing her, ensuring that whispers of their potential romance circulated behind the scenes. While Sweeney is known for her ambitious career trajectory and has recently emphasized focusing on her professional life, she hasn't dismissed Braun's persistent attention. She is currently immersed in filming the highly anticipated 3rd season of Euphoria and preparing for the premiere of her biopic, Christie, at the Toronto International Film Festival, with another film, The Housemaid, slated for release this Christmas. Despite her packed schedule, she is reportedly not rushing into another serious commitment, having recently spoken about rediscovering her independence and spending more time with friends after her engagement ended. Meanwhile, Scooter Braun has also been navigating significant life changes. Following his divorce from Yael Cohen in 2022, with whom he shares 3 children, Braun has stepped back from active music management. This shift has afforded him more time for personal pursuits, potentially paving the way for new relationships. The dynamic between Sweeney and Braun, described as a casual romance that is more than just a fling, continues to evolve, leaving many to wonder if this is the beginning of a significant new chapter for both stars. Sources close to the actress emphasize her career focus, but the undeniable attention from Braun seems to be a compelling factor in her current life. The public will undoubtedly be watching to see how this intriguing connection unfolds against the backdrop of Sweeney's booming career. Public reaction is a mix of curiosity and excitement, with fans eager to see if this new romance will blossom. Analysts note that while Sweeney is prioritizing her career, the nature of Hollywood relationships means these developments are always closely watched. But what happens when celebrity buzz translates directly into massive market gains? Stay tuned as we reveal how one star's endorsement is sending a fashion retailer's stock through the roof. Sydney Sweeney's Great Jeans campaign fuels American Eagle's stock surge. American Eagle shares experienced a dramatic rise of up to a third following the success of their Great Jeans campaign featuring actress Sydney Sweeney. Despite facing some backlash, the campaign has driven unprecedented customer acquisition and significant social media engagement. American Eagle's stock saw a substantial jump, climbing by approximately 33% in early trading, largely attributed to the overwhelming success of their recent advertising initiatives. Central to this surge is the Sydney Sweeney Has Great Jeans campaign, which, despite sparking controversy and debate on social media over perceived racial undertones, has undeniably captured widespread attention and driven significant interest in the brand. The company's chief marketing officer, Craig Brommers, has hailed the campaign as a success, noting unprecedented new customer numbers and confirming that Sydney will be part of our team as we get into the back half of the year. The marketing team plans to introduce new elements to the campaign, indicating its continued importance to the brand's strategy. This success is amplified by American Eagle's strategic collaboration with NFL star Travis Kelce and his clothing brand, True Collars. This partnership has been instrumental in extending the brand's reach, particularly among younger demographics. Combined, the campaigns featuring Sweeney and Kelce have reportedly attracted over 700,000 new customers and generated an astonishing 40 billion social media impressions, demonstrating the potent combination of celebrity endorsement and targeted marketing. In an economic climate marked by consumer caution and reduced spending, American Eagle is strategically leveraging these high-profile celebrity partnerships to attract Gen Z and stimulate demand, a strategy that is clearly paying dividends. Financial analysts are observing the positive impact of these marketing efforts. Lael Akiner, a global market analyst at eToro, noted that marketing momentum is translating into sales. This sentiment is echoed by the company's performance, with the stock rise reflecting investor confidence in the brand's revitalized marketing strategy. The company's second quarter results reportedly dispelled concerns about execution and demonstrated the effective translation of marketing momentum into tangible sales. Management is optimistic about capitalizing on this momentum, with forecasts for stable comparable annual sales, a significant turnaround from previous analyst predictions of a 1.1% decline. The outlook for the remainder of the year appears encouraging, especially with the anticipated return of the NFL season, further boosting the visibility of the Travis Kelce collaboration. Barclays analyst Adrian Yee commented on the ongoing effectiveness of such collaborations, stating, "Collaborations have been and continue to be great for driving traffic, converting, and selling. This is just the beginning." She added that as long as marketing remains active, the American Eagle brand is expected to exceed current forecasts. While the recent stock surge is impressive, it's also noted that strong selling interest, representing a notable percentage of the capital, has contributed to the market's reaction. The campaign's ability to generate such intense discussion, even amidst controversy, highlights its effectiveness in capturing public attention and driving consumer interest in American Eagle's products. Fans and industry observers alike are watching closely to see how American Eagle continues to leverage these celebrity partnerships to maintain its market momentum and appeal to a broad consumer base. It seems celebrity influence is not just making headlines, but also making markets move. Now, let's look at how another major retailer is getting a boost from its own star power. American Eagle stock soars as celebrity campaigns reshape brand identity. American Eagle Outfitters experienced a significant stock market uplift following its second quarter performance, with recent advertising campaigns featuring Sydney Sweeney and Travis Kelce credited with revitalizing the brand and boosting sales. American Eagle Outfitters' stock price surged significantly, notably jumping 10% upon the launch of its Great Jeans campaign featuring actress Sydney Sweeney in late July, and experiencing another substantial leap in early August after former President Donald Trump publicly praised the ad on his Truth Social account, calling it the hottest ad out there right now. This wave of attention, coupled with the company's second quarter earnings beat and improved business metrics, led to a further rally, with shares climbing over 24% in pre-market trading on Thursday. CEO Jay Schottenstein expressed satisfaction with the business improvement, citing higher demand, reduced promotional activity, and effective expense management as key drivers. The Great Jeans campaign, while sparking heated debates on social media regarding potential racial connotations, has proven to be a masterstroke in generating buzz and attracting new customers. Marketing Director Craig Brommers reported an unprecedented acquisition of new customers directly resulting from the campaign's media exposure. This success is further bolstered by a strategic partnership with True Colors, the clothing brand of NFL star Travis Kelce. The synergy between these two high-profile collaborations has been instrumental in attracting over 700,000 new customers and solidifying the brand's connection with a younger demographic. In the current economic climate, where consumers are increasingly cautious with their spending, American Eagle's reliance on celebrity-driven campaigns to capture the attention of Generation Z and stimulate demand appears to be a highly effective strategy. Financial analysts are validating the company's approach. Lael Akiner, a global markets specialist at eToro, observed that the second quarter results dispelled concerns about execution and proved that marketing momentum was translating well into sales. This sentiment is reinforced by management's intention to sustain this momentum. Brommers confirmed, Sydney Sweeney has Great Jeans is here to stay. Sydney will be part of our team for the second half of the year, and we will be introducing new elements to the campaign over the coming months. This forward-looking strategy has led the company to anticipate stable comparable annual sales, a positive revision from previous analyst forecasts predicting a 1.1% decline. The upcoming NFL season is expected to further enhance the visibility and impact of the Travis Kelce partnership, contributing to a strong outlook for the latter half of 2025. Adrian Yee, an analyst at Barclays, highlighted the continued benefits of these strategic alliances, stating, "Collaborations have been and continue to be great for driving traffic, converting, and selling. This is just the beginning." She anticipates that ongoing marketing efforts will enable the brand to surpass current forecasts. The significant stock movement is also attributed to strong buying interest, underscoring investor confidence in the brand's revitalized market strategy and its ability to translate celebrity endorsement into tangible financial success. The campaign's ability to create such widespread discussion and engagement, even with its controversial elements, underscores its effectiveness in capturing consumer attention and driving business growth for American Eagle. Market watchers are keenly observing how American Eagle will continue to harness the power of celebrity endorsements to maintain its upward trajectory and connect with its target audience. It's clear that star power is a potent force in today's market. Get ready for our final story, where a famous actress's fashion choices are giving a major retailer a significant boost. Sydney Sweeney's fashion influence propels American Eagle stock skyward. American Eagle Outfitters shares witnessed a remarkable surge, climbing over 24% in pre-market trading, largely propelled by the success of its advertising campaigns featuring actress Sydney Sweeney and NFL star Travis Kelce, which have revitalized the brand's image and sales. American Eagle Outfitters' stock experienced a significant boost, with shares jumping 24% before the market opened on Thursday. This surge is directly linked to the company's strong second-quarter performance and the powerful impact of its recent advertising campaigns. The Great Jeans campaign, starring actress Sydney Sweeney, has been a focal point, generating immense public interest and discussion. The campaign initially saw a 10% stock jump at the end of July upon its launch, and then soared again in early August following praise from Donald Trump on his Truth Social platform, where he lauded it as the hottest ad out there right now. This celebrity endorsement and public attention created substantial media buzz that the company effectively capitalized on. According to marketing director Craig Braumers, the campaign led to an unprecedented acquisition of new customers. Beyond the Great Jeans initiative, American Eagle is also reaping the benefits of a strategic partnership with True Collars, the clothing brand associated with NFL star Travis Kelce. The combined impact of these two major campaigns has been substantial, attracting over 700,000 new customers and significantly strengthening the brand's appeal among younger consumers. In an increasingly uncertain economic landscape, where consumers are becoming more cautious with their spending, American Eagle's strategy of employing celebrity-led campaigns to capture the attention of Generation Z and stimulate demand is proving to be highly successful. Financial analysts have noted the positive correlation between marketing efforts and sales performance. Lael Akiner, a global markets specialist at eToro, commented, "The second quarter results dispelled concerns about execution and proved that marketing momentum was translating well into sales." The company's management intends to maintain this upward trajectory. Craig Braumers confirmed that the Sydney Sweeney Has Great Jeans campaign is permanent and that Sweeney will remain a key figure for the brand throughout the second half of the year, with plans for new campaign elements. Consequently, American Eagle now anticipates stable comparable annual sales, a significant improvement from previous analyst forecasts, which had predicted a 1.1% decline. The upcoming NFL season is also expected to provide a further boost to the Travis Kelce collaboration, enhancing visibility and driving sales. Analysts like Adrian Yee from Barclays are optimistic about the brand's future, stating, "Collaborations have been and continue to be great for driving traffic, converting, and selling. This is just the beginning." She predicts that continued marketing activity will lead the brand to exceed current forecasts. The impressive stock rise is also supported by strong selling interest, indicating robust investor confidence in American Eagle's strategy to leverage celebrity influence for market growth and brand revitalization. The campaign's ability to generate widespread conversation, even with its controversial aspects, underscores its effectiveness in capturing consumer attention and translating it into tangible business results. Industry observers are closely watching to see how American Eagle will continue to build on this momentum and sustain its appeal with its target audience. From celebrity romances to booming stocks, it's been a wild ride of updates. Now, let's do a quick recap of all the top stories we've covered today. And that's a wrap on another explosive episode of Red Carpet Queens. We've seen sparks fly between Sydney Sweeney and Scooter Braun, watched American Eagle's stock soar thanks to star power, and explored how celebrity campaigns are driving major market moves. Don't forget to like this video if you loved these updates, subscribe to Red Carpet Queens for all your breaking news, and hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know. Let us know in the comments which story you found most shocking, and make sure to follow us on all social platforms for behind-the-scenes action. We'll see you next time.